Hi friends, I'm sure you all know what is mechanics, and today I am going to show you how to make a project in mechanics. So here are the pieces we need: 3 wheels, a motor, a battery pack of 2 AA batteries, AA batteries, then a 80mm shaft and a 70mm shaft, bushes, screws, bolts and many more pieces. So let's start. So we would need one of these red pieces, this red disc, a screw, a bolt, and make sure it's the small screw. So choose any hole. For now I have chosen this hole. So keep the red piece like this. Take the screw, insert it in one of the red piece's holes and insert that over here. Next, flip it. Take your bolt. Now first place it correctly and start twisting. When you can't twist it anymore, keep the spanner like this, flip, take the screwdriver and tighten. We have fixed one of its leaves and do the same to the opposite side like this. Take the screw, flip it and tighten. And as you can see, it has 2 propellers, 2 leaves. And next, take one of these yellow pieces, take a short screw, insert it into. Remember that after every leaf there is a gap of 1 hole. Screwdriver, tighten it, and there we are with 3 leaves. Let's do our last and final leaf. We have a full propeller. Now let's keep this aside. As you can see the motors, here we can see the motor's shaft. A worm gear would be placed here for normal vehicles, but here, as you know, the propeller is directly connected to the motor. So the motor's shaft would perfectly fit in the propeller. Now let's make the casing for the motor and the battery holder to be placed like this. For that, we need one of these. Make sure to place it in the 3rd hole, which is this one. Do the same to this end with the bigger black one. This piece would act as a stand to support the whole weight. Next, we need one of these yellow pieces. As I told you, for the propeller we used a similar piece with 5 holes. That's why I told you to keep this one aside. This is the time we use it. Take a screw, insert it like this. Next, take the bolt and lock it right over there. You can see we are done. Next, we need one of these. They are shorter than these type, the bigger ones, and we keep it here like this. Make sure not to tighten it too much because we do need to make it bend like this. Okay, next and insert it like this. As you can see, this piece lines up over here like this, and tighten it. This is one side complete. Do the same to the other side. Take one of these long ones. Loosen it a little. So as you can see, the main framework has been finished. Let's place the motor in between like this. So as you can see, we have space to insert 2 screws on both the sides. Remember to use the small screws. It can't stand upright, so for that we need 2 of the wheels, the 80mm shaft, and slowly press it. As you can see, we place the shaft over here, and the same goes for the second wheel. As you can see, the wheels are free to rotate. Next, you need to insert the screw like this, flip it, take your bolt and tighten it up. So as you can see, it can stand like this piece over here. Okay, we take the last wheel and we need these pieces too. So on the shaft like this. So at last we finished. So here you can see there are 2 bushes which stop the wheel from moving out too much. It blocks it like this, and as you can see, it moves just like this. First of all, take the screw like this. Okay, so we have done the first one, and next let's take the batteries, insert it like this and like this, take the battery like this, so as you can see, when the propeller spins, it does not even touch the battery box. Okay, so let's test. Are you ready? Oh, it's starting. Can you see it? It's spinning. Awesome, right? You could make it on your own at home. And there is one more specialty. Could you hear that sound? I'm sure you could. It's such a powerful motor. That's why it could generate that much air. Still I do feel air. That's why we could conclude this as a mini fan. We could easily move it. Hope you liked my video. Bye.